Look like now here because Liquid just have one up on JDM. They played those previous rounds pretty slowly, didn't really work out for them. And you have to credit Envious not peeking. And well, we do appear to have a very quick approach. Just happy with the first defensive kill. And can Liquid with this forward position get anything else done here?
Indeed, they are not really close to the site at the moment, on the wrong side of the wall of smoke that they've created. They need to get that bomb down and then get away. They're at man disadvantage already. It's simple on the high ground here, but there's not much you can do. There's nobody for him to shoot. The numbers of his team are running down. Almost bang from jump to jump there. At least putting in work though. 3 versus 3 now, and the bomb might just go down. But how many players will they have left once it does? Eco doing his best to cover his teammate. Kenyan comes out. Kenyan can't reach up to the moment. At least alone now versus 3. He's got high sense. It's a nice team match. Way down. Where's the last man? Doesn't know. He has enough bullets. That is an unbelievable clutch there for a lead. 3 nice 1v1s. Very solid and desperate victory
so
there.
Now again, they have a chance to kind of crunch onto the defense here for the A side. Now that they actually have long control, they have all 4 players there actually, so it's more of a straightforward approach here coming in from Gambit. They're like, right, if you're going to hold on to Cat, we're going to get control of the other part of the side, on the other side of the map.
Hooch, I think actually peeking for Mo over there, but he was a little bit slow to come out, so an easy shot happening. Akusta could have very nearly been a double kill for him. He's got Mo down there. It's a bit of a fight going on, a bit of a patience battle. Flashbang comes out, and Akusta, look at him taking his time. That is exactly the kind of mentality that made Kusta a big talking point to begin with. That's what you want to see. That's a really important trait for a player to have. And Tarek not being able to follow up on Adrian, that should have probably been a kill. And somehow we're in a 3-on-3.
And Adrian's already watching mid for that rotate to come through. Upper Dark is, Cutler has control of Upper Dark at this point. Costa hits the flick. He actually rotates in time to spot out Spades. That drops the bomb. And with 30 seconds left now, that doesn't leave a whole lot of time here for Gambit to make something happen. Kusta can fall into pit. He knows that they've lost control of Catwalk. That's fine because Kusta's now got the angle onto the site. He's got the angle on the CT as well. And this could be his hero round. A 4th kill for Kusta. And now it's all on Adrian. He's been spotted as well. Kusta has no idea that he's been legged already, but he doesn't. It's not necessary. The ace for Kusta. He's single-handedly shot.
Nitro at 2. It's going to be the full eco this time, unfortunately. It's going to be 4-3. Navi do take the lead. Just pistols in the hand of Liquid now. Not really too much you can do with just PT50s in hand. They've got a CZ of Nitro as well, but this will be more the same for Navi. Work very much nice and slow. Work that first pick and stick together and trade frags. But somehow Elise once again opens it up. I think it's in the same area towards Pop Dog.
And he gets an AK for his troubles as well.
That's a little bit sloppy from Zeus. Well, something to work with now. What looked like an impossible task actually seems like it's a little bit more of a reality now.
Nitro's playing in the same corner we saw Elise try and utilize at A main. JDM beside him this time to play the aggro. Try and bait them in. It's Guardian on the other side of the doorway with bomb, but isn't heading that direction because Cease and Flamey have already gone out Ivy. He's going to wait for them to probe the site, get information. And Elise sitting on the top of the patrol won't be spotted yet by Seized, but he could easily wrap around and consider checking this. His teammate already covers off 1. That's a bit of a miscue because not only does he fire his teammate, it gives away their positioning. He has slipped through all the way though. So where do they head? Is it going to be A or B? He's just going to cut rotations, but Elise does pop back around. He takes down 2. Guardian bomb as well. That's huge. 41 seconds to play with. Seized will take back Simple. Nico's rotating late from CT. Elise just needs to stay alive in this position. His teammate, JDM, doesn't have vision onto Edward, but Elise has done it all. An ace for him, starting off by getting an AK, an anti-eco ace from Elise.
Absolutely magnificent. How has he pulled that off? They had nothing to work with there. He pushes Pop Dog once again, gets him an AK.
To create so much of a noise that they don't notice the bomb quickly approaching towards that A bomb site. That's where the real play is, and so far it's working. There are still 4 Liquid players towards B. Now they know, but it's too late. Dennis with a fast frag on the Simple. Sure, he could get the return, but the bomb will be planted. Dennis posting a defense by the APC now as that bomb ticks away. 3 versus 3 as Dennis pops more heads. Is this guy done just yet? I don't even know. He's got Olofmeister for support as well. This is a very tough re-entry for Liquid. What? Just getting in there again. And there might be one more, of course. Dennis with the ace to kick off the second half. Fnatic needed that, and Dennis delivered.
4 smokes, and that can be utilized towards the B site, and is trying to get a plant down this one. There's been very few plants, in fact. So we'll see whether this execution works out for SK this time.
And the T side as well for SK. Just rotating the lead early and coming
advantage. It's crucial. And Taz again, same thing, lines up 4. Don't you dare walk through that window, because Taz will just shut it every single time. It's FNX versus the world right now.
You'd have thought they'd learned their lesson from the last round, but they've given Taz the ace. Way to boost this guy's confidence. 5 kills this round, 4 in the round before.
To make a move, but look at SK. They have this situation read so well. Even Fur now rotating in cold. He does miss a shot, so he's going to get another chance here. They're wall banging him down a little bit, but there's the reply. Eli's going to be going down. FNX picking up Nitro as well. It's now a 3-on-3 with 40 seconds on the clock as JDM picks up 2 big kills. A third one coming in, and now it's all on Fur. Somehow, the American sniper saves them, and that's an ace in 1 round. JDM destroying SK.